So dropshipping is really complicated and it takes a lot of trial and error before you start making any progress. So today I'm going to try to remove the trial and error and teach you how to make $1,000 your first ever week dropshipping. And before you assume that I'm just another dropshipping guru, it's going to show you a bunch of money, try to get you to buy my course by giving you minimal information. I don't even have a course. If you're actually willing to put the work in to start dropshipping, I think you should have all the information you need to actually start making money. So in this video, I'm going to do a complete walkthrough of how I would start a brand new dropshipping store right now, go through product searching, what ads I would run, how to advertise for free, and find out what's gonna sell. And I'm gonna give you all of my secrets and tips that most YouTubers aren't gonna tell you in their videos. All I ask for in return is a like on this video and just subscribe if you aren't already. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So if I was to start dropshipping from completely scratch right now with a goal to make $1,000 in my first week, the first thing that I would do is find a winning product. A winning product is something that can sell really fast to a large group of people, is already working, and has a lot of hype surrounding it. And the best place to find products with hype is gonna be TikTok. So I'm gonna go try to find my would-be winning product on TikTok, and let's see what I come back with. Okay guys, so we got our product. Okay, so after scrolling through TikTok for a little while, looking through a ton of dropshipping accounts, see what all they're selling, the ultimate product I ended up coming back with is this high pressure rock filtered shower head. You've probably seen this before. I've seen countless pages on TikTok go viral for selling this product, and this is literally the definition of winning product. There is so many pages selling this on TikTok, and every single one of them is converting like crazy. I've even talked to a couple pages that are selling this product personally, and some people are making upwards of 6 figures just by selling this shower head that they're only getting for $10 on AliExpress. So these are already some really good product shots that we could directly import to Shopify, and I think we could get away with using a lot of these, being they're super good. And this is actually I'm very impressed with AliExpress on this one. Okay, but now since we found our example product, the next step is going to be to go on TikTok, look at some of these pages videos, what kind of ads they're posting on their page, and then go to their website on my computer and try to critique their website, see what can be done better overall, what they need to change, and just kind of see what we can do to sell better than they are. Okay, so the first brand page that we're gonna have here on TikTok is gonna be at Clearjet. As you can see, they almost have 110,000 followers and 1.7 million likes. And as you can see in their bio, it says over 6,000 happy customers. So that's just indicating that they should have supposedly over 6,000 orders. I'm not sure how much they're selling them for yet because I haven't looked at their website. The first step is just to see what kind of TikToks they're posting and kind of critique those. Let's go check out their most recent. Okay, so the first picture is just kind of showing off them turning on the shower head, going over the features, talking about that kind of stuff, and it is responding to a comment, which anytime you respond to a comment on TikTok, it's just going to bring more engagement because you are engaging with your followers and your fan base. So whenever somebody reaches out to me and asks me about TikTok dropshipping, the first thing I like to recommend is make sure you have an active brand page. So you're posting videos like this probably 2-3 times a day, posting as many as you can, showing off the product, talking about new features, putting on sales, and every time someone comments a question or something like that in the comments, instead of just normal replying to a comment, someone's going to comment something on their TikTok video, and you can hold down and reply with a video just like this person did here. Whenever you reply to a comment, it gives you a whole nother video, more engagement, and another chance of going viral to get more sales. Okay, so this one is definitely a really good TikTok. I've seen other people do something similar to this, and they always perform really well. As you can see, it has 10,000 views, over 1,600 likes. It's not the best. He's definitely had higher videos, but just the video aspect in its own is definitely a really good idea. You're showing off a normal, weak, low-pressure shower head that most people have coming with their house, and then they're doing a cool little transition to their shower head, which obviously a couple times more powerful, looks cooler, has a lot more quote-unquote features with the filtering stones, and it's a really good way to get people to buy your product. So once again, this is a really good thing that you guys definitely take into account, watch these videos. And these are all really good ideas for TikToks. If you guys are interested in selling any kind of products like this or similar, you should definitely look at some of these brand pages on TikTok. You can obviously copy these videos to an extent. As long as it's not word for word, you can take something really similar and just copy it. So now we're going to go ahead and go on my computer and look at their actual website and see what can be improved and what needs work. So let's check it out. So as soon as I go on this website, the first thing I notice is that this was definitely optimized for mobile, which I know because of the aspect ratio, it's definitely going to look better on a phone. That's so already extremely unprofessional. Let's see what else. They use the same product shot that we just saw on AliExpress. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So their footer does look pretty good. It's a pretty professional footer. They did remove the Shopify branding down here, but I am still really concerned on how they completely missed the example product. It doesn't look that good for me. Next downside that I did see earlier is that this is optimized for mobile viewing, not desktop. So what I would recommend is definitely optimize it for mobile as well as desktop, because people like me, if I'm going on the computer like this, the website doesn't look that good at all. It really just doesn't appeal to my eyes at all. Not that many colors, basic AliExpress branding pictures, and it just doesn't really look that good to me. If I go to get mine, no products in this collection, so even that button doesn't work. Right on the top of the header when it says get yours, you can't buy it. Okay, cool. Once again, doesn't exist. Shipping. Okay, cool. So this is, I'd rate the store a 2 out of 10, 2 being really generous. Website, man. If you're watching this video, work on that website. Okay, so now after we got disappointed by Clearjet, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at Charkabody, which is actually one of my subscribers. We're gonna take a look at his store and see how good he did. Okay, so just going onto the store, as soon as I see this announcement banner up here, I really like it a lot. So you get your Instagram tagged, the TikTok tagged, limited time sale, nice logo. It's pretty simple, clean. This is all a really good first access kind of quick menu. So it's pretty cool that he's using his logo right here with his own brand picture, and this is really good so far. I really like how simple it looks. I know once again this is definitely optimized for mobile viewing, but it does look really good on desktop, which is something that Clearjet had a problem with. So next thing you see here is instantly the product. Eco-friendly Chikara shower head, ships from USA, which is good. Nice product pictures, and he's selling this for $30, which as we can see over here, he's only buying it for $9.19. So he's already making a $21 profit as well as taxes if he's charging those. I definitely do think he'd be able to sell for $30. It's not a bad price at all, especially if you advertise it the right way. I'd rate this website an 8 out of 10. That's a really good score coming from me. The only other things I would recommend is, I can see right here this picture of the shower head is a little bit blurry and it just cuts off at this line. And for the first product picture, it pops out a lot more than it should with the black background on it. I would recommend just making it a white background PNG for your first product picture, because it looks a lot cleaner and you won't be able to see the border around it. Because like for example, if you use this picture right here and put it right here, you wouldn't be able to see the black border around it and it would just look a lot more clean and merged into the website better. So that's another thing I would change. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about some other stuff on how you can make $1,000, how to advertise your product, and yeah. Okay, so now we need to start advertising so people can see your store. Now before you jump in and start losing money on Instagram, Facebook ads, trying to become a millionaire overnight, just listen. So since the product that I chose was a TikTok product, TikTok is obviously going to be the best place to advertise it. But even before that, we're going to start advertising for free. So it's really easy to go viral on TikTok. People post the most random videos ever that do nothing and get tens of millions of views. Now just imagine if you get those kind of views on a video promoting your website. Before you start spending a penny on ads, I want you to make normal TikTok videos on a normal TikTok brand page, kind of like those videos we looked at a second ago. Post for about 1 to 2 weeks and posting around 2 to 3 times a day. Be super active, respond to comments and stuff like that. And just see where this brings you over the course of the first 2 weeks. From my experience on TikTok, just promoting normal free videos has gotten me more sales than actually paying to run ads. And plus, if you go viral, that's just getting followers as well, which you can expand further on because now you're starting to build an actual fan base. TikTok dropshipping is so underrated and so smart, and you just need to jump on it before everyone else realizes it. And if the free TikTok advertising goes well and you start making decent money, to actually order the product for somebody, I would recommend installing a Chrome extension called Oberlo. It'll import all of the product pictures, the price, description, reviews, and everything you need directly from AliExpress and put it right into your Shopify store. As well as when anybody orders a product from your Shopify store, you can use Oberlo to fulfill that order and order the product from AliExpress and ship it to the customer without having to type in all of their information and making it a big hassle, especially if you have a lot of orders. And once everything starts moving smoothly and you're making decent bank in your pocket, maybe start testing some paid TikTok advertisements as well as Instagram theme page promotion. Basically where you find a page in your niche. In my example, it would be home improvement, bathroom appliances, and just kind of home renovation pages. You're gonna message the page, ask them how much they charge you to put a promo of your product on their page, and then just promote using those on different Instagram pages. So that's gonna be pretty much all of the steps you need to make $1,000 your first week dropshipping. And that's gonna wrap up this video from here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give TikTok dropshipping a chance because it needs its credit. It's really easy to start, and hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I'm just tryna cause Supreme hoodies, yeah. Surely you know what I mean.